Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market, and today we have something truly special for you. The Uieke 17.7 inches dried wheat stalks. If you're looking for a natural and rustic touch to your home decor, wedding setup, or DIY crafts, these dried wheat stalks are an absolute must-have. Let's take a closer look at what makes this product stand out. First off, you get 300 individual stems in each bundle. And they stand tall at about 17.7 inches, much taller than many other wheat stalk options out there. These dried wheat stalks are 100% natural, carefully hand-picked by farmers, and dried under the sun to preserve their authentic charm. There are no additives or chemicals involved, so you're getting the true essence of nature right in your hands. These wheat stalks are versatile and can elevate a variety of settings. Whether you're decorating your living room, kitchen, or bedroom, or looking for the perfect centerpiece for your wedding, Thanksgiving, or holiday parties, these stalks are the ideal touch. They bring in a warm and cozy vibe to any space, giving your home a rustic farmhouse look or enhancing a boho chic theme. The wheat stalks are perfect for DIY projects too. You can use them to create wreaths, bouquets, or any other personalized decor. Whether you're an experienced crafter or a beginner, this is a fantastic way to add a touch of nature to your projects. The best part is that these wheat stalks don't shed much, so you don't have to worry about cleaning up a mess. Just place them in a vase or tie them together for an effortless display. Uieke has made sure that these dried wheat stalks come in perfect condition. They're carefully packaged to avoid damage, and should you receive any that don't meet your expectations, their customer service is ready to assist you with a free replacement. In addition to being a beautiful decoration, these stalks also add a subtle wheat fragrance to your space, making them even more delightful. Whether it's to create an inviting atmosphere at home or add a natural accent to your craft projects, the Uieke dried wheat stalks are a top-tier choice for any decor lover. So, if you want to bring a natural, rustic, and timeless touch to your home or event, the Uieke 17.7 inches dried wheat stalks are the best dried wheat stalks you can find. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and insights. See you next time.